Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus for visible by Verizon. So as I'm recording this video, the Galaxy S23 Plus is up for pre-orders at visible. When this video is live on YouTube, the Galaxy S23 Plus should be available for you guys to purchase. So y'all guys will be able to get it in the Phantom Black color, two storage options, 256 gigs or 512 gigabytes of storage. Yeah, y'all guys have your power button and RAM keys on the right side of the phone there. Earpiece on the top there, hole puncher, 40 frame facing camera right down front. Right side, like I said, power button, RAM keys. There's the left side. No, this is the right side of the phone. And then on the back is your triple camera system, camera flash, and your Samsung logo. It's basically a Galaxy S23, but slightly bigger. So there you have it. The 256 GB Galaxy S23 is $27.75 a month for 36 months, or $9.99 for retail price. 512 GB version is $31.08 a month for 36 months. Or $11.19 for retail price. Alright, y'all guys should get insurance for your phone, so it's definitely recommended in my opinion. So it says here, meet the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, the phone that takes you out of the everyday and into the epic. Life doesn't wait for the perfect lighting, but with night photography, you are always ready to seize the moment and snap memories like a pro. See your content no matter the time of day on the display with the refresh rate up to 120Hz and adaptive vision booster. Capture and create in rich detail, and then use quick share to snap and use quick share to share across devices without losing quality. Move past the mundane and embrace epic power with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. Alright, best for the member who are eager to share unfiltered moments from the daily life. Be sure to update your device to the latest software version. Check settings for any available updates, if any. Alright, this is a 5G compatible device roaming on Visible Plus. Good news, your device is compatible with roaming in Mexico and Canada. Make sure you're on the right plan and your passport is up to date. Specs: 6.6 inch Full HD Plus display. Y'all guys have a flat display, so it's slightly bigger than the Galaxy S23. 6.91 ounces. That's how much the Galaxy S23 Plus weighs. Dimensions: 6.21 inches height, 3 inches width, and 0.3 inches depth. Y'all guys have physical SIM card or y'all guys will have an eSIM option. Android 13 with One UI 5.1. 50 megapixel wide camera with auto image stabilization, autofocus f1.8 aperture, 10 megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom. You guys also have OIS, autofocus f2.4 aperture, then 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, fixed focus f2.2 aperture, front camera 12 megapixel autofocus front facing camera with f2.2 aperture, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 octa-core processor, 256 or 512 gigabytes of storage, 4700 mAh battery, 45 watt wired fast charging there, so it's very nice. Fingerprint sensor and facial recognition for your security options. 5G sub-6 roaming, yes. So what comes in the box is your Galaxy S23 Plus, data cable, which is Type-C to Type-C, quick start guide, terms and conditions, SIM ejection pin, and you guys will have to provide your own charger if you guys don't have one. If you guys want to learn more about the Galaxy S23 Plus, I will have that link down below as well. So there you guys have it. The Galaxy S23 Plus is now here at Visible by Verizon. Y'all guys can get it in 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabyte storage options, $9.99 or $11.19 respectively. So Yeah, if you guys like the flat displays and whatnot, here you guys go. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.